Good afternoon. I am Bharath and he is Ishant Ishwar. We made a surveillance robot which can specify whether a person is a terrorist or a human by using a ASCII lens AI camera, and we have used Arduino and Raspberry Pi in this project, and we have attached a GSM which can make a call to the officials when it senses a terrorist. Furthermore, he will explain.
We have used an ASCII lens AI camera which is controlled by Arduino microcontroller. The ASCII lens AI camera first detects the image and detects the presence of a weapon, any gun or any sort of weapons. If the human is not having a gun, it will classify them as normal innocent humans. Whereas if the human is having a gun and some sort of frequency is coming from the weapon, means it will classify them as army officials, because the guns from the international market will be having some sort of frequency. Whereas if the human is not having a frequency but instead he is having a gun, it will classify them as terrorists, because weapons of the black market will not be having frequency. Suppose if it founds a presence of terrorists, it will start monitoring them and sends a call with GPS node to the army base, in which the army people can rush into the place and arrest them immediately. With this, we can increase our security quality of the country. And we have used an AI Python script in which the robot can be friendly with humans. If we talk to it, it will give a response to whatever we talk to it. Now I will show the demo of it. Now it starts tracking. See, now it started tracking me, so it's after a few seconds the call will be going to this phone. Now surveillance robot has call us. Now it also responds to human speech. Now if we talk something to it, it will give a response to it. What is your name?
I am surveillance robot.
What can you do?
I can classify humans into terrorists, army officials and innocent humans. If you're terrorist, I will attack you. But you're an innocent normal human, I will be kind to you.
In this way, it can be friendly with humans. Even we can give a compliment to this robot. You are a good robot.
Thank you so much.
So in which it can be friendly with humans, and it will give an action towards terrorists in which if they cannot cross the border legally. Thank you.
This project can be efficient in our current India because we are having a lot of attacks in our border. This is friendly as well as a surveillance robot which can be very useful in the near future. Thank you.